What is going on, my dudes? Saturday night, it's 10 o'clock for you dudes on the East Coast, 8 o'clock for me. Just doing a quick 1 hour stream here. Travis, what's up, dude? How's your evening? Talking about what motivates me today. Maurice, dude, what's up? What time is it for you? I gotta Google it. Time in South Korea. 12:06 p.m. So it's lunchtime for you. Dig in. Honest graduate, what's up? Malik, what's up, dude? Informed, sup, my dude? Tech, how's it going, man? Bernard, we're just hanging out. Saturday night. Oh, where's my schedule? My notebook. I feel like it's like when you check your pockets for your phone. That's what I feel like when I can't find my notebook. I'm thinking about trying to get some schedules going here, like a sub Sunday, something game dev Tuesday, something like that, you know. Oh, what's up, Tech? Travis. Oh, thanks. Thanks for doing that. Watching Kings versus Warriors basketball. Yeah, it's 10 o'clock for you. Kayam. Yeah, I think most of the viewers we're gonna get today are North America, whereas when I stream in the morning, all the viewers I get are from like Asia, India, Europe, maybe. Omar, what's up, dude? Yaving Bashit? I don't know, man. I can't do it. You're coding and looking at anime and you saw the message. Well, welcome aboard. Hope your Saturday night is going good. Australia, yeah. I don't normally stream at night. Usually I start to get super tired about now. I just start to like, when I get tired, that's it. It's just game over. But I still got to make a video. So I'm going to make probably a resume video after this. For some reason this week, like 30 people sent me their resume. So I guess they want to see resume reviews. So we'll make it happen. You have to share. Got your first client to make a website. Why can't I talk? To make a website. Nice, dude. Hopefully you charge all right, unless it's free. The best premium WordPress theme you like to buy to start a WooCommerce project for a customer. I use Divi. I would recommend Divi. Divi's pretty customizable. What motivated me today? I was reading Jocko Willink's little blurb in Tools of the Titans. That's what my motivation is today. But what motivates me, I was thinking about that a lot lately, right? I was reading. I always get a lot of, I don't know, insights when I'm reading. And it's like, I can tell when I have to start doing the same type of video series, or like, I can tell when I start to like, I'm not interested anymore, and I feel like that comes out like in the videos, and like people can tell that I'm like resenting the work because I want to do something different. What color switches are you using on your keyboard? These are Cherry MX Reds. The other keyboard I had are brown. I'd like to get blues, but they don't make them. At least they don't have them at Best Buy. You gotta order offline. I didn't have time for that because my other keyboard broke. Been with me since 13K. Thanks, dude. Real OG. From India. What time is it there? Must be crazy. Time in India. Go to sleep. Just kidding. It's probably like, oh, it's 8:39. Well, I guess good morning to you then. This song is pretty dope. ABC of programming. You're interested in AAD? I'm not sure what that is. Vitali, what's up, cuz? Dude, what's up? Android app development. Can't really help you there. What's the best affordable developer laptop you like? I don't think there's much difference in a developer laptop and like a workspace laptop. Really, it's like just make sure you got enough RAM. A lot of the programming you're gonna be doing has to do with RAM, especially if you want a virtual box. So if you want to get a Windows machine because you want to use Windows apps because you like Windows because you know Windows, but you want to use Mac OS or Linux, you need RAM to run that virtual machine. So, I mean, there's a million laptop brands. You're just starting off HTML. You're stuck trying to insert a JPG image. Any help, please? That's kind of vague. You would, I imagine you would do an image tag with a source like that. And then URL goes here. That's how you insert an image. Paid 20 bucks for a laptop? Craig, dude, what's up? Google is bro. Cosmonaut, how's it going? Currently struggling learning ES6. Any recommendations? I mean, I don't know. I would say there's a few main things you need to learn with Craig, ES6. You need to know the spread operator. You need to know arrow function. You need to know let and const. That's about it. Is there a shortage of web devs? There's a shortage of devs all the time. How's the gym? Gym was good. Today was a mix-up. It was a mix and mash of upper body. Tomorrow was legs. Tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. bright and early, right when it opens. I'm convincing myself every day slowly to take this, strap it to the chest. I don't think that would, do much for a leg day though. Which is better, Android app development or game development? I mean, that's subjective, fam. You tell me. What is this? It's my favorite exercise. Lifting weights. The best place to host an Angular or React portfolio website? I made a video on that the other day, Ryan Oakley. It's called How to Host a React App on Netlify. So try out that. How to host a React app on Netlify. It's just a couple steps. You can even use your GitHub. How's the supplement line going? It's not. The business partner that I have that makes the product in his kitchen also, he's really busy. He's really busy doing his own stuff. And then that's just not my focus. I'd really like to do something like Muscle Loot, though. Have like a little cool a little like monthly box that I'd ship out. That'd be cool. Just gets expensive. You gonna bring the server stats back up? If you want, that's up to you, Travis. I don't know, Craig. DigitalOcean is a little bit complicated to get set up because you're gonna have to be SSHing into like your own little droplet or whatever, and that can be complicated for people who don't really know how to manage all that. It's really DevOpsy. But yeah, I use DigitalOcean for my WordPress, and I still had to do everything from scratch. And getting HTTPS set up was a huge pain, and like setting up Apache to... You'd purchase a monthly web dev box? Yeah, I don't know what would be in that. Everything's digital with web dev. How do you rate your new standing desk? I'm standing at it right now, so I'd say 10/10. Netlify is free. I mean, that's one thing it's got going for it. You got to use its weird little domain, so it's like thebestwebsite.netlify.com or whatever. You don't get your own dedicated domain. Are you a full stack dev or do you just do front end? I do all the things. I do back end, I do full stack, I do front end, I do design, I do product management, I do digital marketing. I do everything. I just got hired for front end. That was the title at all of my positions. It's front end, but it ends up being, hey, our guy doesn't know how to do this. Can you figure it out? Oh, okay, sure. You're gonna buy a laptop. Which would be better? You didn't give it. You gotta give a list. Yeah, for a free host, Netlify is great. Riley, what's up, man? You're finishing your bootcamp next Saturday. You've been applying for jobs. You're not sure what your salary should be. Yes, for tips on determining your worth, Riley, you want to go to Glassdoor. Check your area. So always go to Glassdoor to see what that company is paying other devs, so you can know what to expect. So for example, the one I did with a HR lady, I knew exactly that they paid like $37 an hour, And so when she's like, all right, I know I'm going to ask the question that nobody likes to answer, but what kind of salary are you looking at? And I was like, actually, I already looked on Glassdoor, so I know you pay between 37 and 40, so I'm going to say 38. And then she was like, oh, okay. I'm 28 years old, Trevor. It could be Treehouse, GitHub merch. I can't do Treehouse merch because that's their stuff. That's how you get sued 101. You got a new job? I always have a new job, man. I'm always doing new things. I just don't have a job working for someone else. Yeah, stickers. I got stickers. I got a whole bunch of new merch. You can't see it. Here, let me drop the link. I dropped it earlier in Discord. But I got a whole bunch of new stuff. I got create. Create is greater than consume, right? So you're either creating, making something as a programmer in general, or you're consuming, and I'm on the side of creation. So I don't know. I made a little thing with that. If you guys are, it'll show up in like a day or so below my channel, but got some stickers and stuff. I don't know. I spent way too long on these designs. They're simple, but yeah, Riley. So definitely hit up Glassdoor. You definitely want to hit up that Glassdoor. Look at what they're paying at that company. Look at what other companies that you know about in your area are paying. What's the best state for junior web devs? There's not a best state for junior web devs. And don't classify yourself as a junior web dev, Sarah. Just be a web dev. Just be a web dev with not a lot of experience, but a whole lot of energy to learn, I guess. Is it possible to have a dev job and do college? Yeah, I mean, you get a part-time dev job and do college. That's what I'd do, right? This is what I would do. If I could go back in time and do everything again, I would go to a full-time code boot camp, Lambda School, and then I would get a job, maybe part-time, or maybe contract, and then well, I don't know. I'd probably do part-time, and then I'd ask them to pay for my college tuition. That's what you want to do, right? If you're dead set on that degree, if that's because you want to be the first one in your family to get the degree, or if that's because you want to have the degree for yourself, or for whatever reason you really just need that paper, I wouldn't pay for it. I'd have your company pay for it. Apathetic knows what's up. All the top devs use the Yeti.js. If you go back in time, you'd invest in Bitcoin and cash out at 20K. Yeah, I know today, I think right now it's like 3,800. What size is your desk? I'm not sure. Johnny PD, dude, you're welcome, man. I hope I'm dropping some gems, or at least motivate you guys to get out there. This is what I said to someone on Discord the other day. They were like, I just don't feel confident enough to apply. Like, I feel real nervous. And I just typed out, I was like, the confidence doesn't have to be real, it just has to feel real. And the more I thought about that, I was like, wow, where did that come from, Josh? You're reading too many books. But that's the truth. You gotta fake it till you become it. I thought about making a shirt about that. 3708 on Coinbase. Oof. How do you find nearby startups? Go to angellist.com. Size of my desk, I don't know, it's a pretty average size desk. I would say maybe a little over 3 feet, maybe 4 feet. Can't stop looking at the light behind you. Here, Captain, let me make it a little bit more distracting. Alright, now every time I talk, it's gonna flash. This is the way to do it. What are the things we can't make with jQuery and have to use jQuery? What? It's hard to manage work and studies side by side. I don't know. It depends if you have like a really easy job. If you're like an intern getting coffee for the boss. You gotta migrate a WordPress site you just built, trying to figure out the best way. Any ideas? You can't SSH into their server. Yeah, there's a plugin you could get. It's called All-in-One Migrate WordPress. It just downloads your WordPress as a zip file basically. And then you make a blank WordPress on the new server, and then you upload your zip file and unpack it, and then boom, good, done. That's what I did. Where'd you get the light? I got it at Best Buy. They're called Nano Leaves. Good to see your live stream. Welcome aboard. Thanks for hanging out with us. Emily, you just started as a web dev. I rock. I don't know why I rock, but Emily, you rock. You think the light behind me is messing with my camera focus? My camera focus is on manual, so it shouldn't be changing at all. When I go back, I get out of focus because I have a manual ring here set. Oh, welcome. That's kind of creepy. Because you guys are looking directly into the DSLR display. Have ever used Ember? Nah, I've seen it required a few times. I think I got a course on Udemy for Ember once, and then I was like, pass. You're just gonna do a live stream where you Google questions for people and monetize that? You'd be surprised at how many videos I make. I have to do research before I make the video. You find yourself reading documentation or watching tons of videos while learning? I don't know. I don't really know. Have I experimented with AWS? I have launched a couple of Ruby on Rails apps on AWS S3 buckets. But that's about it. No, apathetic saying, dude. I'm saying, go for it, dude. Make that money, man. I respect that hustle. How could I not respect that hustle? Do your family and friends message you for tech support? Yeah, I don't know. I graduated with a mechanical engineering degree and people started asking me if I could fix their car. I'm like, you know that's not exact. No. I design bridges. I build bridges. I calculate forces on structures. I pick the materials for these structures. I don't unplug your spark plug, replace it and put a new one, you know. But yeah, I don't know. When I grew up, like, I had to learn how to use Windows and stuff if I wanted to update my games or whatever. So they think because I know how to use an operating system that I'm like a technical wizard. Like the first time I ever hooked up something wireless, like their wireless computer or their printer had Bluetooth and I hooked it up to their computer via Bluetooth and they're like, no cord, are you sure this is biblical, Josh? Are you sure this isn't a sinful machine? I'm like, this is 2012. One second, I'm gonna turn on the light. Welcome back. How can you get free Udemy coupons? Well, this is what you do. You sign up and you make money. I don't know, dude. Don't look for stuff for free. Create value. Don't be like that. Yeah, I mean Udemy has free courses, but those are the ones that. So this is what people do on Udemy. This is why they do free courses. Essentially, they get your email, right? So then they can remarket to you. Once you've signed up for their course, they get your Udemy email, and then they can remarket to you when they have a paid course. That's how they do it. Bud the Pit, you've been unmotivated today, dude. I was super unmotivated. I procrastinated on going to the gym for like 3 hours. But then I went, and now everything's good. And then I sat around watching Breaking Bad for the second time with my girlfriend. And then I was like, I gotta do a live stream. So this. What's your workflow? Wireframe prototype code. I mean, that's generally the workflow, but that was usually given to someone else. Wireframe prototype is the UI UX lady. Free courses are trash. There are a few free courses that I would recommend. There's one that's how to use the Chrome DevTools. It's really good. I always recommend that. Why don't I work as a mechanical engineer? I did work as a mechanical engineer, and I sat in a cubicle all day writing Excel sheets, PowerPoints, Word documents, and doing nothing that I learned in school. What's so good about frameworks? It seems JSX requires more keystrokes. It's just because you can do HTML and JavaScript all in one file. How many hours do you work in a day? Well, since I don't work for a company, I work for myself. So I work all day long, every day. I wake up, get to work, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Like I don't have weekends, I don't have vacation days. I just work all the time, all day long. I mean, not all day, right? Sometimes I'll play Overwatch, or like today I played Overwatch for an hour. Then I tell myself, like, while I'm streaming Overwatch, I'm like, don't stream something, or like, don't play Overwatch unless you're gonna stream it and monetize it. And I'm like, that's how I get sometimes. You're in DeVry for a CIS degree, it's been okay. I'd probably get your money back. Watching from Finland, Moi, Miten Mene, Terve Tuloa, to the stream. I don't know, streaming, I don't know, to the stream. I don't know how to say that. What keeps you motivated to wake up every day and keep going? I love what I do, man. I love what I do. The process is its own reward. Took me a long time to figure that out, but every day is the process of arriving to, you know, it's I'm trying to think. What was it I read? What keeps you motivated to wake up? I read that. Fortnite's where the money's at? Nah, Fortnite is very saturated. Can you make iOS apps on Windows if you use a VirtualBox? What do I do if I work for myself? Do I have clients? No, I don't. I try not to sell my time for money, but I teach people how to code, man. I teach people how to code. Highest Overwatch rank was like 2890 or something. I teach people how to code. I help people get jobs. I coach people on how to get jobs. I coach people on how to interview. I have AdSense from YouTube. I sell my resume and cover letter. I have some affiliate links that support the channel. A bunch of different things. You have a gaming channel with 240k subs. Yeah, you could be rolling in some dough there, but I like the YouTube life. It's not even purely because of YouTube. It's more just the fact that you get to affect people on a massive scale, and there's really no other platform that allows that right now. Okay, Sachin, goodbye. How many hours of sleep on average a day? I'd say between 6 and 8. 4 and 8, 5 and 8. I don't know. Last night I got a full 8 hours. I went to sleep at about 12. I woke up at 8. Right then, I had a student at 8 a.m. and I woke up at like 7:57 a.m. I'm 28 years old. Yeah, YouTube is good. I like the creative life. I like being able to, you know, it's up to me to figure out what I'm going to make that day and make it good, and it's just a constant creative challenge. If I'm not getting that, you know. Do you drink coffee? Negative. Yeah, I'm 28. Trevor knows. Okay, alright, next. It's kind of hot in here. I'm gonna open the window a little bit. You would definitely jump back in if you were doing content similar to me. Yeah, I like talking about programming, but this channel will evolve over time to talk about entrepreneurship, you know, how to run your own business, how to stay motivated during that, the creative process, fitness, because that's a core part of my life. Without that, I wouldn't be doing what I'm doing. You know, and then there's the passion, right? The real passion that I have is aviation. I always wanted to be a pilot, and I will do it. Should projects in your portfolio be made using all front-end languages? Or should they be done in one to each? I don't know. It doesn't have to be front-end. A project could be like a full-stack application that's hosted somewhere like on Netlify with like a little comment box, and when I type in a comment, it gets submitted to like Firebase. I worked at a front-end JS job. Yeah, I've worked at like 5 front-end JS jobs. How much do you need to do a day and how deep JS knowledge? Depends on the job. I don't know, it's a really vague question. It's hard to answer, depends on the job. Some jobs were like all meetings. Some jobs were like no meetings. Some jobs were like you just do you all day. Some jobs were like you don't do anything at work all day. How can you show a project on your portfolio if it's protected by an NDA? Out of context code snippets that are refactored to not basically show what you're doing. Advice for a college student getting bored with computer science but want to learn practical stuff like building apps? Just do both. Nick, what I would actually do is in the summer take a full-time code boot camp and then get a job and then have that job pay for the rest of your computer science degree. That way you're getting work and you're getting paid and you're getting your school paid, and you know, it's a win-win. Or you could just drop out of college. Do I feel that Node.js is a must? No, I'm not fluent in Node. I know PHP more than I know Node. I think there's so much Node boilerplate out there, you don't really need it. Server stats. Oh, we're almost at 6,000 members in Discord. That's crazy. I remember when I first made it. And it was like just so that I could share the game that I was making with people, and there were like 2 people there. Node is the future. I mean, maybe. Way more than Java. Everyone loves Node more than Java. Daniel Zavala. If I could go back in time, would I be self-taught or do coding bootcamp again? If I could go back in time now, knowing what I know now, taking the mindset and motivation and how to, everything I know now, I would be self-taught. Because I know I have what it takes to be able to get over the walls. I know I have that mentality developed. If you want to be tougher, decide to be tougher. You know, I would have the discipline now, I think, to do it. But back then I wouldn't have it. Some people that are doing it the first time, like if I was doing it the first time, I'd have to go to a code boot camp because I don't have the discipline. I tried to do self-taught. That shit wasn't gonna happen. I just kept getting lost and bored, and then I'd be like, oh well, I did my 8-minute Udemy course. Time to play Overwatch for like 9 hours. Oh, gotta do another chapter tomorrow. Like, you're never gonna make progress. So I did the part-time. I don't know if I'd call part-time a boot camp. Did I say I was reviewing Coursera soon? You've taken some of their stuff and it's a decent amount better than Udemy? Depends on the course, right? Depends on the teacher. Yeah, so actually I have 2 videos coming out. One video is coming out on the 27th, so that's Tuesday. Another video is coming out on the 29th. So I'm reviewing their Stanford Machine Learning course on Tuesday. That'll come out. And then I'm reviewing their Learn How to Learn course. That'll come out on the 29th, which is Thursday. Yeah, it's been good. How do you suggest finding a niche and building the skills to work in a marketplace? You don't always have to do what you're passionate about at first, as long as you keep looking. As long as you don't just settle to do something that you hate and then just resent the work, because that'll come out. I would just keep throwing. That's what you have to do, right? The path to purpose is paved with a lot of years of not knowing what you're doing and hating a lot of other stuff before you figure out something that you do like. And then it takes a lot longer to figure out how to make that thing you do like into something that you could live off of. So for example, code was something that I kind of liked and it was something that I could live off of. And YouTube's something that I really like, but it's way harder to live off of. So that's how you find a niche. Just keep trying stuff. Keep throwing stuff at the wall. See what sticks. You looking forward to a future of serverless? It depends on the latency. What's my favorite front-end framework? I don't have one. I don't really have one. My favorite front-end framework is called the Unreal Engine and the Unity Game Engine. Those are my two favorite frameworks. What are my plans for the rest of the night? My girlfriend is watching Breaking Bad in the living room currently. So I'll probably hang out with her and make a video after this. You already used Pomodoro. Yeah, Pomodoro is good. Sometimes I just forget to do it. Come here, buddy. They want to say hello. Yeah, you famous now. Come here. Come here, fan. Come here. I know. Ugh. Would like to see some vlogs anytime soon? Yeah, probably I'll be doing like a vlog once a week or something. He likes ear scratches a whole lot, and he likes chin scratches a whole lot. He wants to leave. All right, come here. Be free. He didn't want to leave earlier. I asked him if he wanted to leave before I started the stream, and he just stood there, stared at me. I was like, all right, you stay. Mike, what would you say to someone who studied JS and then they got to React and absolutely hated it? You tried beginner Python and enjoyed it. Should you switch? You don't have to just do React, man. You don't have to do React. That's just the most popular thing for a job, but you don't have to do it. Do Python if you want to do it. Do Flask, do Django, do machine learning. Do something, you know. If you like JS but you hate React, whatever. That's fine. Just know that that's where the jobs are, but there's other jobs too. Me particularly, I think React is really boring. I think it's just so popular now that like so many people have opinions on it. It's just like you can't say anything about it without someone correcting you. Well, actually, did you know they just came out with this new patch called Context? Okay, bruh, look. Yeah, but no, man, probably some vlogs maybe next week. I got this. I want to have a video every Saturday called like Remote Saturday that showcases that when you're a developer you can work remote, and this is the type of stuff that you can do. Sure, Mike. Do you sing songs? Nope. Yamato-san. Hello. Welcome. Last week everyone was talking about React hooks. Couldn't. Yeah, I know. I can't bring myself to care about it. Like I got other stuff going on. That's cool. If you're out there lurking, by the way, just let me know. I appreciate you. There's only a few people talking in the chat. So if you're out there lurking, you want to ask a question, drop a question. If you're lurking, just control, just Alt-Tab to this real quick. Hit that thumbs up. Alt-Tab back to what you're doing. That'd be awesome. You like the small vlogs that I put as intros? They're very catchy. Yeah, I think maybe I should start doing that more. I need to start carrying my camera with me whenever I go around anywhere. Pandemic. I think you're always lurking, Pandemic, but hello. React lifecycle hurts. It does when you get asked in an interview and you don't know what it is. That's the worst. I think I'm just out of focus. Just out of focus. Yeah, if you're here, please smash the thumbs. How much experience did you have before you started looking for a remote? 0. I just go hard. I don't care. I just go hard. The Great Bond lurking. Appreciate you. Thank you. Yeah, I just went real hard. I didn't have any experience, and I was just like, I'm gonna try to apply. And so anyways, I got my part-time job that I created. Like the very first job that I had, I created. That job didn't exist before I got it. And then I was like, you know what? What if I work remote a couple days? Like I was feeling real confident because I already got my first job. And then I was like, can I work remote too, just a couple days a week? And they were like, oh yeah, sure, sounds good. And then on the days that I had remote, like I had no idea what I was doing, and I was like, shit. They're gonna think that I was working these 2 days because they told them I was gonna work Fridays and Saturdays remote, but I don't know how to do anything. How did you create it? Basically they told me that they wanted to hire me, but I had no experience, so they couldn't hire me. So I was like, hold on, what if we do a part-time deal? It'll make your company look good, like you're hiring fresh young talent straight out of the local area, and you could put that into like PR or something, you know? Like, I don't know, I was just trying to finesse it. And they were like, actually, we need to talk to our CEO about that, but that sounds like a good idea. And I was like, okay, get back to me. And I was ready to just work for free, just have a like unpaid internship, because I just wanted to build something so I could move later. I didn't care. And then they called me up and they're like, all right, we'll do it, and we'll pay you $18 an hour. Does that work for you? I was like, I'll do it for free, so yeah, that's fine. Oh, by the way, can I work remote a couple of days? And then they were like, yeah, that should work. The best jobs are the ones you create. You make less money now? No. I don't make less money than I did before. But the money isn't consistent. That's the thing, right? It's not a salary. The money's not consistent. It goes up, it goes down. You're streaming now? I sure am. Any tips on how to stay focused and be motivated for finals? I don't know, hit up some nootropics maybe. Is the camera shaking intentional? That's me shaking my desk. It's because I have my arms on my desk. What are your thoughts on people who look down on remote jobs or online schools in general? Well, there's a lot of companies that they look down on remote because they're like, well, we need everyone here to be on site as part of teamwork, and I think that's a load of bullshit. That's just my opinion. I think companies that require you to be on site is just bullshit, because like you'll always have like 2 guys that are remote, like, and then like everyone else is required to be on site, which I was like, okay, it's because they don't trust you, and if they don't trust you to get the work done, they don't respect you, and if you don't respect me, I don't want to work for you, right? Like, don't hire people that you don't trust. Any coupon codes for today's live stream? Yeah, so the coupon code is this. If you type that in at my website, when you check out for resumes, cover letters, Google, cheat sheets, that's 15% off. No joke. Thoughts on beginner trying to get onto Upwork for freelance? Craft a brand. You need a brand. You need a brand and you need people to back you up. What skills do you think devs need to know nowadays regardless of the job company? Product management, communication. Communication is everything. It's like if you go to an interview and you're afraid to make eye contact, that's it, it's game over. High Ticket Closing Training by Dan Locke. Are you talking about that? Ain't nothing you can learn in that book that you can't learn, and just read Straight Line Selling by Jordan Belfort. Just read Straight Line Selling by Jordan Belfort. That'll teach you everything you need to know about to do high ticket closing. I don't know. The high ticket closing thing is irrelevant, because if you don't have any tickets to close, it doesn't even matter how high the ticket is. Like, it all starts from building a brand and building a reputation and creating value in yourself that you give to other people, and those people in turn recognize that, and then more people realize you have value. That's what it is, building a brand. Everyone should do it. I read Gary Vee's Crushing It 2018 version. That's what motivated me to do this channel. Well, really go hard on the channel. But it's not for everybody. I mean, it's not for everybody, but I still think everyone should try it. Yeah, if you guys don't know the book, It's Gary Vaynerchuk's Crushing It. It's a good book. Just get the one that's narrated by him. Have you taken a programming job that required security clearance? Yes. You're gonna become a hug coach? Did you go to college for CS? Nah, I have a mechanical engineering degree. $100,000 a month on push-ups. Oof. Can you imagine that? Like if I did 100,000 push-ups a month, like you guys wouldn't even see my head. You'd just see my chesticles. That's it. I might just have such a, you know. Your programming job right now needs clearance for everything, so I'm gonna guess you work for the Gov. Oh, yep, for the IRS and the USPS. Yeah, we built stuff for a federal agency too. And you have to support like really ancient stuff, like almost like Netscape. Like it's just like there's people working at jobs supporting versions of Internet Explorer that weren't even around when they were born. You know what I mean? Why is clearance so important? They just need to do a background check to make sure that you're not about to go give industry secrets. That's pretty standard. You have an underwater basking degree? Is it, you know, can CSS do everything SAS does? No. I'll give you a perfect example. You can't set a variable in CSS, but you can in SAS. So you can be like, so now you can just use main theme and everything will be white. You want to get into bioinformatics, biomedical field, but you're afraid if the job availability is bad. Any recommendations? It's probably pretty bad. I don't know. I get what you want, but like, just be a doctor. Just be an engineer or a doctor. Be an engineer, then try to get into biomedical stuff. Thoughts on Docker? You can test it out if you want. What are your thoughts on CSS? Where's that meme? My thoughts on CSS are like that shirt that says CSS is awesome. Let me find it. Like this shirt right here. That's my thought. That's my thought on CSS. I think it's fine. I mean, no opinion. Is JavaScript for solving tech interview questions and data structures and algorithms? It's fine, I guess. I would say like writing a binary search tree is probably not the JavaScript's probably not the best way to go. All right, guys, lowering the desk. I like the song. Let's turn up the song. What's the biggest advantage to use SAS? That's subjective. I guess it depends on what you're using it with. It's pretty subjective. Biggest advantage? It's an opinion. Do I think I'll ever collab with Chris Sean again? It depends if he wants to collab with me. He's so busy. He's really busy. I asked if I went to California to visit him, would he hang out with me? And he's like, yeah, currently my schedule is XYZ. Okay, but he doesn't do collabs. He said to me he doesn't do collabs with other YouTubers. Like dedicated videos. High desk, high motivation. That's right. No, I was doing the bike at the gym today. My quads are they're done. Do I think Krishan is a good developer? I think he's good at doing B-roll. I've never really seen him code. He's not allowed to show it. It's NDA. Judy, what's up, man? I mean, chick. What's up, girl? Let me get them digits. I don't know. Judy, what's up? Do I have a teacher becoming a teacher at a high school or university? No. I don't want to. I work remote. I work on my own schedule. I work where I want to, when I want to, how I want to, and for how long I want to. So, probably not. Also, they don't pay like shit, so, nah, pass. What, I collab with Jarvis? Jarvis had 35,000 subscribers when I had 2,800, and I remember telling myself, Josh, you're gonna catch up to him, and then you'll collab. But I was too late. Now he's at like 800,000. Your list of must-read books? Nick, I got you. It's actually on my website. I need to update it, but it's still pretty relevant. Self-dev, I think? Nope. Please hold. Oh, it's called personal development. Here, these are all my books. How do you meet other devs outside of work? I don't know. I don't really go looking to meet other devs. If anything, I wanna find people that make YouTube videos. If you know Bootstrap 3, should you learn Bootstrap 4? You say it like it's an entirely different language. It's like they just added a few things. Or yeah, go to coffee shops. Oh, I saw this video today on YouTube that was like talking about the different devs, and I was like, yep, true. One second. Here we go. Let me move this off to the side. Alright, so I'll shrink this for a second. You guys could see this video that I found. It's hilarious. I'll go down here, I guess. Alright, here we go. This video's The Mysterious Life of Developer, and this is like the stereotype developer at like every job, and I don't identify with this, but it's very accurate.
The mysterious life of developers has been incomprehensible for a long time.
Tony says this guy is a douche.
Until now.
Tony, you're a douche. Welcome to the channel, by the way. Thanks for your hanging out.
This is one of the most common species of developer. This is the cliché developer, which can be spotted by the conference t-shirt and the pale skin. The main source of nutrition is a black carbonated liquid which is devoured in a large quantity. This separates him from the more rare hipster developer observed here. This species only drinks warm liquids based on expensive spices and beans, and his only tool is a so-called Macintosh. The hipster developer will often refuse to work with tasks such as SQL databases or Java. Notice how this specimen also makes use of the trackpad attached to his portable Macintosh. For many individuals in the herd, it is considered prestigious to not utilize this unit at all. The herd all work together towards a common goal, a goal set by the project owner. When the project owner is present, the developers often hide digital images of cats from their screens. The mere presence of the project owner implies danger to the herd, and their suspicion is justified. The developers are now rushing to find the problem. Everyone wants to be first.
There's just no way I could sit there for 8 hours every day doing that. I just get so bored. The fan.
This one seems to have a fix ready. If he can be the one to first push to Git version control, he will be the hero of the day. Oh, seems like another one fixed it as well. And he pushed first. Fascinating. Victory. This developer has gained the approval of the herd and can go to lunch with a smile on his face.
Oh, this video is so good. It's so accurate. Like, that's like almost every single dev job ever. Tony Carbetta. Let's Google. Let's look at him. Let's look him up on YouTube. See what he's about here. There we go. 3 subscribers, 4 videos. So this is the guy that says don't listen to anything that I have to say because I'm a douche. Interesting. Here, let's take a closer look. Tony, let's watch some of your videos, fam. Let's pause this. Let's pause music for this. Let's see what's going on, Tony.
So many reasons, so many doubts just waiting for me to figure out there's so many. I got so many. I got so many reasons, so many thoughts just waiting for me to fall apart. There's so many. I got so many.
Wow.
I got so many reasons.
Wow, great. Wow, so good. When the haters call you out, so you go look at the haters. Oh, he made a music video out of this. Homegrown. Maybe you should not be a web dev and you should be a rapper. Yeah. I guess it's a music video. Tony, you're getting free subscribers, my man. At least someone's gonna subscribe for this dope beat. How can you hate this? You guys hearing these mad beats? Look at this editing. Someone should call that phone number. Alright, Tony, what else you got going on here? Let's see. No sound? At least give me the notepad with giant text that's telling me what you're doing. Wow. Tony. What's this about? Oh, no, 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 no! You have 2 music videos? Why do you have 2 music videos? Say hello for Russia. Privyet. What is this? No sound. Just building a website. Yup. Good stuff. Somebody call that phone number. See if he answers. Hi, my name is Tony, but I forgot to turn on the sound, so you can't hear me or understand anything I'm saying. But Josh Fluke is a douche. Okay. Everybody go subscribe. Oh, Travis, you're calling it? Oh, man. Turn on captions? Oh, does he have captions? Let me see. No captions. He's probably not even here anymore. He's gonna be like, what is all this? What is all this, I don't know, maybe you should like get picked up by Interscope Records. Yeah, Tony collab with Coding Phase. You guys can have rap battles. Why isn't there a negative subscribe button? There should be like an avoid button, like they have in Overwatch, right? That's funny stuff. His hair product game is strong though. Well, I mean, when you don't have any hair left, you gotta make use of what you have, and so that makes you invest into hair products. Have you done any hackathons? I did like half a hackathon once, but not really. I just couldn't find myself interested. Every time I do like a hackathon, there's always some douche that wants to be like the boss of everyone, and he's acting like you're at work, and he forgets that it's just for fun. He's like, no, we have to do it this way. I'm like, bro, we're not even gonna win anything. It's just for fun. Bro. No, we can't do that. You need to get it now. We need to get this pushed now. I was like, bruh, like, I just want to have fun, man. Like, I don't want you, like, why are you being a douche? Why are you pretending like you're being a leader of the pack? I was trying to think of some, like, metaphor there. Like, the only thing you lead is the spoon to your mouth. I don't know, because he was fat. Like, I couldn't think of anything, but, like, that was the only place that dude felt like he had any authority, was at a hackathon. It's just like, it's like being paired up with people in college that you don't want to work with, and like people that don't pull their weight, or some guy that thinks he's like, now that he's like, he just nominates himself as team captain but has no idea what he's doing. Have I done any mobile dev? Not native. Different thoughts on different cloud services, like what? No, not native. If we all went and give him thumbs down on his video, we should all just leave comments on his videos. I swear, all you have to do is put the Google in your thumbnail, and like literally you just get views. Just put the word Google. Oh no. Oh boy. What did I miss? Oh, Google Cloud? I don't have too many thoughts on that. I don't really use them. Should you relocate to Wisconsin for a job offer? It depends on if you want to do stuff that's in Wisconsin. I don't think there's anything to do there. I wouldn't move there. What made you want to cut the long hair? It looked bad. He picked up. You'll upload the video to Discord? Perfect. Are you for real though? I can't tell if you're memeing. If you don't mind the cold. If you don't mind the cold and the absolute nothingness of anything to do fun, Wisconsin is a place for you. Armand, I'm sorry if you're watching because I know you live in Wisconsin. Wisconsin is the cheesiest. It's Wisconsin. Story time with the wife, please? Nah. No point. You can go watch other streams. If you're not joking, I'll play that on stream right now. Are you posting it in daily? The man picked up. You put on a weird voice. Alright, here we go. Hold. Can't hear anything. Travis. I got volume up. Huh. Didn't work, Travis. You're gonna call again. Oh boy. It's based out of Verona. You would live in Madison. I don't really know what is there to do there. Like for me, I need to live somewhere where there's mountains or an ocean. That's it. I would not live anywhere else. We all are. Maybe I should just call him up. We'll just call him up on a stream. Nah, we don't want to like completely destroy him. I'm not trying to be that mean. Gotta hold back a little bit. I like his hairline, you know. Peer pressure, I know, right? Plain truth comes in with the emojis and then pieces out later. Daniel, what's up, dude? You gotta send me your projects so I can give you the new ones. I mean, I don't know what to say. You have a business-to-business form builder, an estimate provider for maids, carpet care, lawn care. You have 43 companies using it, but it's not growing, and you've run out of ideas of natural growth. That's rough. Yeah, you need to start building that brand. You gotta start building that brand. You should start YouTube drama with other developers for content. I don't have enough time. I don't have enough time for drama, right? You can tell the size of a man by the size of his problems. And if my problems are some non-existent drama that I just create, that means my problems are very, you know, I'm out to do big things, right? I'm out to help people land jobs, get their dream job, make more money. I'm out to help people. I'm not out to get views for drama that make everyone look petty. This time with an audio file. All right. Here we go. My...
Hello.
Hello.
¿Quién habla?
What?
I think he just hung up. Travis, you're like, what? I think he said, what's up? Right? He said Kenada or something. That's funny. Radius, what's up, man? Okay, Onda, that's what he said, yeah. Travis sounds 12. Empanada. Dude, I'm good. I'm good, man. We're all trying to figure out what he said. Travis, why didn't you say anything? Travis, why didn't you call him up and be like, hello to the stream? Honest question. You've been thinking of Lambda because you're not learning anything on your own, but you can't afford boot camps. So many horror stories on Reddit about Lambda. Why should you consider them anyways? If you look at the date on the horror stories, on those, they're like 2 years old. They're really old. Also, you'll notice in those horror stories that you read on Reddit that the person writing the horror story never finished Lambda School, and so they're complaining about not having a job, and then Lambda's like, well, you never finished learning everything you need to know. There's a whole lot of reasons. But if you look at any boot camp, really, on Reddit, even if it's Thinkful or General Assembly or IronYard, all Reddit's going to show is just people upset about it. It's just a very vocal minority. So one person has like a problem, and then everyone on Reddit, since Reddit's so cynical, they just jump in on it, and they're like, everything sucks. Like literally anything you put on Reddit, and especially in Learn Programming, because Learn Programming, Reddit is like the elitists of Stack Overflow that come to like pretend they're better with everyone, like than everyone else. I don't know. Everyone's like, well, don't learn that. Learn this instead. Well, what about like that's where like I don't know. Reddit is just Reddit. That's what I have to say about that. Should you call him back with a different account? We need someone that can speak Spanish and then translate to us. Do you use an iPhone or Android? I have a Samsung S9 Note, Galaxy Note 9. Yeah, Galaxy Note. Galaxy Note 9, my dudes. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? Tell him to call me a douche on stream. On the phone. Oh, look at that. This is like MKBHD levels right here. That is my phone. Like, if that's not crisp, I don't know what is. It's funny. Gotta get, that's manual focus, right? So I gotta. Those eyes. Those eyes. My eyes. Like the 1-800-CONTACTS at, right? Wait, I gotta get in. My eyes. What is that 1-800-CONTACTS one? You know what I'm talking about? What's going on, stream? I'm just gonna look at you guys like that from now on. My brand. Yeah, that was it. How many codes do you have to code to be able to code like a coder? At least one. At least one code. How many codes do you have to smoke to be a coder? 30 codes. Yeah. By the way, if you're here and you're lurking again, appreciate you. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for spending your Saturday with me, your boy. It's your boy, Chit. Joe, please. Where you at? Hey, kid, want to buy some code? Hey, kid. You want to buy some code? Right here. I got a whole jacket full of code. We're calling it that .js stuff. You had your interview earlier this week. You made it to the on-site where they're going to fly you. Any recommendations on how to study for it? Danny, you obviously have to make the request of what do I study for? Please told me you asked them that, right? Please told me, all right, well, what are the next steps? Okay, well, is there anything I should prepare for? And if you didn't ask that question, email them right now. Open up your email, start typing that email, and put, what should I study for? We got a little bit of that crystal, and we're talking about that Crystal Lang, none of that street crystal. It's that new Crystal Lang. Coding phase all up on that. For real though, he makes a video every day about Crystal Lang. I look like that. My eyes look like that old dude that's like smiling. But he's like this and he's like smiling. You guys know what I'm talking about? Hey man, you got any of that Ruby? That's high quality stuff. Oh, for real, Danny. I mean, then you need to go to Leak Code. You need to go to Leak Code. You need to go to Hacker Rank. You need to go to Code Wars. What's an 8 ball of PHP go for? If you're enjoying the stream, before I head out, please just smash the thumbs, the one that's going up. I know there's a lot of people out there that make the mistake of hitting the other one going like this. But if you want to smash that downvote button, if you want to hit that thumbs down, just make sure you really smash it, right? So tap it twice. Can't even cope with this chat right now. What books are you guys reading right now? You guys got any book recommendations? I'm always writing down new books. I'm really thinking about like what can I read next? You making food, Edge? Yeah. What are you making, man? I like spicy food. Please no seafood. Pass on seafood. I had enough seafood in Finland for the rest of my life. You making sandwiches? Yeah. Shoot me a sandwich. I like PB&J. You can leave the edges. I don't mind. I'm not a basic human. I can eat edges of bread. Okay. When you're really bored of your job project, how do you motivate yourself? You get a different job and a different project. Well, I don't know. It depends on what it is. Sometimes you have to endure the tedium. You have to endure the process. You have to endure the creative process. But it sounds like if you're just not interested at all, then you need to move on to a different one. Book of the New Sun. What is that? Alright, I'll note this down. I was thinking books more like The 48 Laws of Human Nature by like Robert Greene. Please say address. Just ship it to YouTube and they'll send it to me. We should do like I should do like a making food with the stream. Making food with the stream one day. I used to do what was it? Chill and grill streams when I had like 2,800 people and like 13 people would show up. Jordan Peterson, 12 rules for life. Jordan Peterson's 12 rules for life is like 900 pages, but it's only 12 rules. Jordan, please just tell me the 12 rules. I feel like that should be like a page. Jordan rules page of 12 rules, not Jordan. Ugh. Dennis, what's up? Cooking stream, yeah, that could be fun. Josh with Jambalaya. Jambalaya with Josh. I forgot to put on music. I think that's why people are leaving. Obviously, it's because of the dope trap. Are you familiar with Jordan Peterson? Yeah, I'm familiar. I mean, he's everywhere. He's on every YouTuber everywhere. You could do a Cyber Monday live stream. I don't know what I would do Cyber Monday. Spending everything I've ever made on Cyber Monday stream. What are your thoughts on the law of attraction? Yeah, I mean, you can hope and dream and like all that stuff, but you still gotta put in the work. There's no like money and success and all that stuff is gonna come to you, right? Like, sure, yeah, that part works, but you still gotta close the deal. You still gotta do the work. I think it was the first one. All right, Travis, hold on. I'm coming to the stream. JR, you all coding is your life. JR, he talks about some deep stuff. I can't do Joe Rogan. Working for yourself. Well, I teach code for open classrooms, and then I do YouTube, and then obviously I've done like a sponsored video with Pramp. I'm gonna do one with Coursera, maybe some more. But how does it feel working for myself? Well, this has been the dream, right? This has been the goal, the dream. I'm just a very independent person. I've just never been that type of guy that's, you know, pictured myself in a cubicle. So, any suggestions on good podcasts to listen to? Sarah, hit up Tim Ferriss's podcast on Spotify. It's free. They're about 2 hours long, usually an hour and a half to 2 hours long. They're pretty good. He's got a lot of great people on there. So I would definitely recommend Tim Ferriss's podcast or Jocko Willink's podcast. That's a good one. Thoughts on vegan diet? Thoughts on vegan diet is you do you. I like bacon. Do I have any private classes teaching Python? No. I don't feel like I would be able to provide that much extra value when it came to Python. It'd be like if you asked me to teach you C++, right? I'm still learning that. How to learn to write clean JS code. Oh, there's a book for that. Let me get it to you. Please hold. Here's my list of programming books. Making Movies by Sidney Lumet. Looking. Making Movies. Sydney. Oop. What is this? Oh, film and editing. I feel like I want a book like that that's like on After Effects, right? Like how to use After Effects and how to edit and create stuff and how to do like Marvel movie effects. That's the stuff I like. Filmmaker's Handbook. I feel like a lot of filmmaking books are just like not really read. I just don't know what's good. Like I think I really like books on cinematography, but all the books I can find on cinematography get really crappy reviews. But I want to learn how to have shots that are like in the movies. I like Hollywood style. Imagine if all of my videos were like as good as Hollywood productions. He blocked your numbers. Rip. What happened to the music? I'm sorry. It's coming back. An After Effects classroom in a book? Was that what that was, Sydney? To offer JavaScript classes? Or do I know good videos showing it? Oh man, there's so many videos. It's late enough in the stream for filters. Alright. Alright, I'll make it happen. Actually, it won't work. Yeah, I can't do it. My camera's too HD. I can't do it. Are these bangers the same what you listen to at work? No. This is the free stuff. This is the stuff that I can play without getting demonetized. The beat is legit. It's called Dirty by Seamus McNamara. Maybe I should just add another one. Should be like a window capture. Nope, can't find it. Do you have a gaming rig? If so, what specs are you running? Yeah, I have a pretty beefy computer. I have 64 gigabytes of RAM, two 1080s, an AMD 1950X overclocked to 4.1. What else do you want to know? Videos that look good but have no substance, you definitely recommend the video. That sounds pretty good. I think Casey has no, like a lot of his videos are they're just videos, but he has a story to tell. The story is whatever he's doing that day, and that's what I need to get better at. I need to get better at storytelling, and I need to film in different locations rather than just one angle. Because I don't want to get so comfortable that I'm just sitting in my chair all the time like, what's going on YouTube in today's video, blah blah blah. Like, I don't want to do that. I don't want to be that. 64 gigs of RAM, yeah. I animate a lot, and I don't know if you guys noticed, but I upload all of my videos in 4K, so I need that RAM. Which is good for investing online studies, Pluralsight or Treehouse. They're both good. What games do you play? Overwatch. I was playing Halo 5. Well, yeah, Halo 5 on the Xbox, Overwatch on PC. You play PUBG? Oof. I've played it a few times. I played it on my phone more than I played on my computer. You can carry me on Overwatch if you need to. Sure. I don't think I'm that bad. I don't think I wouldn't be able to contribute. I just play solo, and I did all of the placement matches with my friends, and then we got placed in gold. And then I don't play with my friends anymore, so I queue solo in gold, and there's always somebody throwing, always in every match. So there's no way out. Yeah, I upload all of my videos in 4K at 24 FPS. I can do 60, but I don't. Battlefield 1, I have Battlefield 1 and everything. Battlefield 5 just came out, but I don't think I'm gonna get it because it's more like Battlefield 1 DLC, World War II DLC. But why would you call it that when you can just repackage it? Your viewers in Europe cannot watch the archive because of the European copyright restrictions that were just put in place. RIP. I mean, I'm not using anything. There's no copyright on this music. This music is totally uncopyright. This is royalty free. I pay a subscription fee every month for this, so I can play all this music. Let's find some other music. Let's get real cozy, stream. Let's just get real cozy. You guys ready to sit back, relax next to the fire? Now we're gonna listen to some soul. How much does all your gear cost? I don't want to talk about it. Where can you buy the desk? The link is pinned. The link is pinned as a comment. How much is the Corsair headset I have? It was 70. Mic on, mic off. It was $79. What's your current bench personal record? I did 3 by 225 the other day. Do you stream in 4K? I can't stream in 4K because the capture card that I have only does 1080p at 60. Otherwise, I had to drop like $400 for a capture card that I had to plug into my computer to stream 4K, and then it wouldn't matter because people don't have internet to watch a stream in 4K. Also, I'd be destroying the girlfriend's Netflix. Do I like Python? Yeah, it's pretty good. 3 by 5 times 225. No, that wasn't my PR. It was just 3 times 225. That was the record. I haven't done a one bench max like PR. Maybe I could get 235, 240. How was Thanksgiving? It was all right. Have you read any of Robert Greene's books? J.C. Gonzalez coming in with the real questions. Robert Greene is actually one of my favorite authors. I'm almost finished with the 50th Law. I've read Mastery. I've read the 48 Laws of Power. I've read half of 33 Strategies of War. And when I finish the 50th Law, I'm going to go back and finish 33 Strategies of War. And then I'm going to read the new book that just came out, The Laws of Human Nature. I'd really like to meet him. I saw someone with like 4,000 subscribers like go to his house and sit down and meet him. And I was like, if this dude with 4,000 subscribers can go and make a video, and I have like 30-something, hell yeah, I'm gonna go meet this dude. But I haven't sent him an email because I don't know what he would say. I think he was like piggybacking off of someone else. I think he was there with Ryan Holiday, and Ryan Holiday was his apprentice. And so like, do it, email it. I'd have to see, and he'd have to wonder. I don't know. I'd really like to go sit down with the authors of the books, like Jocko Willink. Have you guys know, like Navy SEAL with Tasking and Bruiser and all that? Tim Ferriss, he'd be cool to sit down with. I want to get on his podcast. Mastery was really good. Mastery was amazing because Mastery made me understand about serendipitous moments, the moment like shower thoughts, right? When you have great ideas, when you're not thinking about something. 48 Laws of Power is very Machiavellian. I like that one a lot. What else? God, this is really loud. Can't think. I feel like we're in 1991 right now. Yeah, Mastery made me realize it was okay to, like, I noticed that if I wasn't creating or producing, there was like this thing, right, that I would start to get depressed if I wasn't like creating something or working on something or putting something of value in the world. And I just thought I was weird, and I didn't understand that because I would, you know, not be interested at coding, at making something at work. And so I'd come home and play video games, and then I decided to like start making things, and I noticed I started feeling a lot happier. And it's like Mastery's figuring out what your purpose is, and it's just a good book. Have you read Flow by Mihail Csikszentmihalyi? Yeah, I actually have read that book. It's on my Audible right now. I'll prove it to you. Go ahead. All the books that you guys... How old are you? I'm 28. Let's see. So this book right... No. No. What is this? Rip. Here's my book list. I'm going to show you guys. We're going to scroll through my book. Come on now. Here's my book list. What kind of phone do you have? I have a Galaxy Note 9. Alright, so we got The Power of Habit, Art of Abundance, Bigger, Leaner, Stronger, Crushing It, The War of Art, 48 Laws of Power, Waking the Giant Within. Dang it. Even the stream is sponsored by Audible. Yeah, it should be. All the free stuff I give them. Oh, right here. Oh, right here. Here we go. Mindset. Hey, look, you see that 12 rules for life? See, guys, I got you. 10 pillars of wealth, millionaire fast lane. I don't know why that's, yeah, it's marked as red. Mastery, bigger, leaner, stronger, number 1. Resilience. Never split the difference. Oh, that was such a good one. Compound effect is good. Yeah, the power of habit's pretty good. There's flow. You were just asking about flow. There it is. 5-second rule. Meditations. Ego's the enemy. And then those other books you saw at the bottom were from not me. And then I have other books that aren't on this Audible. Like I have Perennial Seller, 50th Law, stuff like that. List of computer books. Have I tried trading options? Trading options is just betting. I don't bet. I make strategic investments. Discord dads, how to find them, how to meet the Discord dad of your life. Yeah, we're giving Craig a t-shirt. You can bet years down the line strategically. Sure. I don't know. I don't give my money to the market because the market is manipulated. Have you read Green Eggs and Ham? No, I have not, Sam. I am. I don't know anything about an IBM interview. Yeah, Perennial Seller creates something that lasts. You are correct. Ryan Holiday. A lot of his books are good. Trust Me, I'm Lying. I want to read that one. Do you want me to do a different logo just for your... Oh, it's up to you. You want to remake your boss's website? What would be your first step? Go to your boss and be like, hello, I have looked at your... I don't know. What is life? The number 42. Duh. Type in 42. And Google will tell you it's the answer to life. Yeah, just go to your boss and be like, look, man, I have noticed that I could probably remake your website. It'd be a great creative challenge for me, and I think it would benefit both of us. If given the company, would you like to work for? So I'm gonna stop you right there. If any sentence says, would you like to work for? I'm gonna stop you and say no and run far away in the other direction. I don't work for people. I work with people. I partner with people. We are equal partners. I don't work for anyone. I'm the master of my own destiny. I am the sculpture and a sculptor. So no. Never again. Also, I'm just too much of a maverick to be told what to do. Can we get some Maverick merch? Logan Paul, where you at? No, you're saying like Facebook or Google. No, I would still. No. I don't care. Google couldn't pay me enough money to work there. Facebook could not pay me enough money to work there. Because it's not about the money. It's about purpose. Thoughts on the MJ? You do you, I guess. Why don't you like working in teams? No one ever said I don't like working in teams. Me and Mr. Mustard wants us to find the truth about life. Big picture project. Are we gonna learn that the Earth is flat, guys? What is this GeoCities website? This is not responsive at all. What happens after death? How do I even navigate this? The site no longer exists. What is this? Oh, pass. Hard pass on all this. Guys, abort hard. Juan, what's up, dude? How did you get a mortgage as self-employed? I didn't. I got a mortgage while I had a job, and then I quit that job. So now I'm good to go. But also, you can get a mortgage if you're self-employed as long as you're showing profit in the company that you have. So it's up to me. I can either pay myself out everything that I've made, or I could leave it in the company bank account and then pay taxes on that. So if your company's showing profit, it's not hard to get a loan. When are you making another update on Patrick? Patrick had this entire past week off. So there was no Lambda School this past week, so there's no reason I'm making a video. Should you go to Code Bootcamp if college doesn't work out? You should go to Code Bootcamp while you're at college in the summertime, probably. Should you go to Code Bootcamp or stay self-taught? Depends on how much discipline you have. Discipline equals freedom. Jocko? I don't know. Jocko would tell you that. What kind of chair is that? This is the Discount DX Racer. It's called a Vaughn Racer. Come at me. Someone said, what makes you the most happy? What makes me the most happy? I like working out. I like aviation. I don't know. I like making videos. I like editing videos. And I like when I edit the video just right. I'm like, oh, snap, that looks dope. That's like my moment. $3.99? It's not. It was like $1.79. Wasn't that much. What do you do for fun? I do a lot of things. I like going to the gym. I like making videos. I like doing live streams. You know. I do a lot of, I don't know. I want to host a meetup and find other people that are like me. But I feel like if I hosted a meetup, it'd just be really awkward. Yeah, no. Yeah, I get it. This chair is actually super cool. It's so American, though. Please hold while I put this on autofocus. Prepare to go in and out of focus. Have you ever been to a hackathon? Someone asked that earlier. Yeah, I've been to one. Meet up at a bar and I'll get you shots. Sorry, man. Got more important things to do than waste time drinking. Also, I don't drink, so that's the main thing. But you can drink if you want. I just have more important things to do. Where is my autofocus button? There we go. All right. Prepare. Oh, guys, I feel like we need to sit down by the fire and open up a book to this song. I'm doing my part. Where's that GIF? Let's get a little relaxed. I can't read the stream chat. You have to put bigger font. Hey Josh. Use your phone to read it? My phone was at my desk. You should live stream building an entire website front and back in DevOps, make a series. Travis, the thing with that is that people would come in and they would be out of the loop, which would turn people off. Like, I know I would. If I came into a live stream and I had no idea what this guy is coding, or where he started from, or what he did 10 minutes ago, or if he's stuck on a bug and he's just staring at a screen for no reason, I'm gonna be bored and I'm gonna be out of the loop. So it doesn't make sense. It makes sense to maybe make a videos. Does your chair do this? Does your chair do this? Does your chair let you do the limbo? Bye guys. See you later. I was trying to disappear. Hold on, we're going back this way. Look at this double chin. I'm like Ethan. Do a stream of me reacting to TikTok videos. Oof. That's how we become famous. That's how we turn into a Jarvis. Make videos dissing other channels. Do you still code? Yeah, I code like every day. Please compare Udacity with Treehouse and Lambda. They're different applications. Do you draw? Nah. Coder diss track? They're spelled totally different. What? Yeah, that's exactly the difference. They're spelled differently. Jarvis went mainstream. I think because Jarvis's true passion is not web development. Jarvis's true passion is making comedy videos. He likes improv. If you look at his Instagram, before he blew up, all he would do was like post videos of him practicing improv with other comedians, and that's why he's so funny on YouTube. So his real passion is comedy, improv, sketches, not programming. That's just what pays his bills. What do you think about App Academy and DeMountain? Pass on both of those. Go to Lambda School. Don't even use my link. Still go to Lambda School. Don't click the link. Don't support the channel. Still go to Lambda School. That's what I think. What do you mean different application? They're all boot camps. Treehouse is not a boot camp. Udacity is not a boot camp. Yeah, Jarvis makes good stuff. I mean, he's a funny dude. War of Art versus Horton Hears a Who. Craig, I would say that actually in the War of Art book, he talks about like inspirations. I forget what he calls them. Oh, we're at a rave. Where's Jeff Sade? Jeff Sade? Is this like a break from work for you? No. I've been done for a while. What's the music name? I don't know. Apparently we're gonna rave. I should put this on speaker or connect this to my computer. Should I open this? This is unopened. Should we just open it on stream and just have an FPS stream? Because you can stream to YouTube with this. So I can just FPS stream what I'm doing, and then I'll look at the chat on my phone. What do you view as the cons of Lambda School? If you absolutely need to be in person because you can't be alone, then maybe go. Are you comfortable with money? It depends on what you mean by comfortable. If you mean that I save everything that I make, then yes, I save everything that I make. Definitely hit up Lambda School though. If I open it, then I can't take it back. It's like 500 bucks. Alright, we're gonna open it. I have 2 GoPros now, I guess. I was gonna give one to my dad. Looking pretty fancy. Unbox therapy. I just put my GoPro 3 in there and try to pass it off as a GoPro 7. Oh, they gave me some GoPro stickers. Yay! Too bad I don't have a Mac. A huge book. What else we got in here? Does your girlfriend pay you rent? Hell yeah, she pays me rent. No rent, no live. What else we got in here? What else? What else? What else? We got a couple. Hold on, hold on. Mac joke is accurate. You're the only one that got it. You should make unboxing videos for the new tech gear you buy. I don't know if people would watch. Alright, so that's it. This is all I got. And let me change. Here, we'll look at the desk. All developers have a Mac. Why not you? Because I'm not all developers. I am Josh. And because Windows is better than Mac, because Mac is crap and overpriced, and the hardware is not very good. So here we go. We have two little mounting brackets. Here's the battery. I don't know if this is an extra battery or not. And then we have this charging cable. Time to switch to this new gear. Oh yeah. And then I don't know how this comes off. Oh, this is like mounted to this plastic right here. So you have to like unscrew this and slide it out, I guess. Do a setup tour. I've done a setup tour. It's in my last video. Is this really not gonna come off? Wow, okay. Okay, GoPro. Hold on. It's like a hacking tool. This thing has to come off. There's no way that this is like part of it. Is this just glued on there? You know, there's like times like this when I'm just trying to do simple day-to-day stuff, and then I just realize, like, I have a mechanical engineering degree, but I can't even figure out how to take this plastic thing off a GoPro. Cardboard box. It doesn't feel good. Not sure what this does. You have no case on your Mac, you're just way too careful. It's like your baby. It's because you paid $9 million for it. I'm not sure. Not sure what's going on here. Ah, got it. You have to squeeze. Put it in CAD and reverse engineer how to take it out. Got it. You are absolutely correct. I know. How do we do this? Oh, so you have to lift this plastic thing up, then you can squeeze. So that's how it works. So this is how it works, right? You got the plastic thing here, so you can do this, then you can squeeze. So let's do that. Slide it in. Put that thing back down. Actually, well, yeah, that's fine, I guess. So then we'll take the GoPro. GoPro has a case on it. I don't know, this is so difficult. Okay, so that has a mount. The actual GoPro comes out of the mount. I'm afraid to push it out. Oh, I don't want to touch the camera, but alright. Do you follow any periodization programs? Sometimes. Well, there's just thumbprints all over that. So this is the GoPro. Looks like it has a little sticker on it of a sea turtle. We just got real relaxing. Does it have a battery in it? No, so no battery in it. Also, this is a touchscreen apparently. Please go play with the dogs, then you switch to the GoPro stream. We'll do a dog live stream. That could be fun. I don't know how many views that would get, but that would be fun. Okay, so no battery. Windows rules in game world, Mac wins in programming world. That's not true. Windows has better hardware, doesn't cost as much, and you can just bootstrap whatever you need to do. Alright, I feel like I done messed up here. There we go. Laptop doesn't cost as much. Has 64 gigs of RAM. You know, I have a. That's my choice, right? This, yeah, is this the one that lets you live stream? It sure is. This is really difficult to set up. Wow. Please. So the battery's kind of a pain. ASMR unboxing. Okay. So we'll slide the battery in here, you can see. Then we're gonna close this. I saw it flash for a second. This is really difficult to do when I'm like having to reach out. Can you help out? I guess so. Come on over. Oh, you weren't talking to me. You just need help. Alright, well, it seems to be closed. So that's good. And then let's turn it on. Oh! So there's a little sticker. So it's on. $6.56 in Cape Town. Welcome. Alright, take the sticker off. Oh no. Oh, I almost started the GoPro setup in German. No. That would be bad. English. Yes. English, please. Legal stuff. Literally, it says legal stuff. I don't know if you guys can see this. Legal stuff. That's funny. I agree. On. I have to do I have to get the GoPro app on my phone. Can you buy it for me? Well, it's brand new, so I'm gonna charge you a brand new price. GoPro. Install. Turn on Wi-Fi. Don't forget the memory card. I don't have one. It didn't come with one. So I can't actually capture anything yet. What is this phone? It's a Galaxy S9. Okay, come on. I don't know, just ban him. Just ban Skylord. I think you hit his message, but I think I'm just gonna ban him instead. Hide user on this channel. Done. Boom, ban forever. If Wix offered you a Lambo to be a sponsor, what color would it be? Assuming that I would take the Lambo as a sponsor, obviously it'd be red and black. 2 white stripes. This song has got me distracted. Pass. Alright. Oh no. Oh, it's the instrumental. Okay, we can do that. Alright, let's open this. Find my camera. Searching for camera. Please work. This would be a fun vlog song. We found your GoPro. Connect. Oh no. It only has 12% battery. The battery that it came with. Lamborghini's trash, Ferrari's babe. Why not both? If you don't have both, you don't have enough money anyways. Gotta name it. YouTube is Bay. That's the name of my camera. Finding it very helpful. Jimmy Johnson, thank you. Welcome to an unboxing of a GoPro. Bootstrap or jQuery. Pass. Update camera. Reconnecting to YouTube is bae. No, not even a joke. Oh no! Battery died. Oh, my battery level's too low. Alright. Hold on, popping out the camera. Stream's still alive. We should be back in business here in a second. There we go. Yeah, the camera died. The DSLR camera died. Oh, they're making a lot of money here. Oh. All right. Please insert SD card. I don't know how to do this. I can't see what my camera's seeing. It's kind of weird. I don't know what I'm doing. YouTube versus Twitch, who wins? Depends on your application. I can't see. Is this supposed to be black on purpose, or is it just because there's no SD card? Alright. SD card's coming. Hello, Omnipotent Voice. How are you? SD card, where do you go? In the side. Alright. That is not the SD card. That is a charging cable and a micro HDMI. Alright. Where does the SD card go? Lens cap is on? There's no lens cap. Nice try though. I think it's just because it doesn't have a thing. Yep, you're right. It's right there. You got me. I gotta push this in with something else. Rip. Is that in? I can't tell. Don't make any jokes. I know there's some jokes coming for that comment. Come on. I think I really have to take the battery out first. There we go. All right. How's the note? The note is so good. Oh, nice. You guys can see me through my GoPro. Am I fish-eyed enough? What's going on? Streamception. It's actually pretty good quality. It's really fisheye though. I don't like that. Not a huge fan of the fisheye, but this needs to be charged. It's pretty cool though. It's pretty tiny. I'm gonna wear this to the gym. I'm gonna wear this to the gym and do FPS workout. That's such a wide angle. There we go. It's still really wide, but whatever. Hello monitor on the left side. Yep, I got monitor here, here, and over there. Cool. How do I turn this off? There we go. Or not. Yeah, there it goes. People are leaving because they're bored. They don't want to watch unboxings. We've been here for 2 hours, guys. I was just hanging out on Saturday. Appreciate you guys hanging out. Tomorrow, I'm going to make a resume video and hit that gym. And I switch to the stream. It only has 7% battery, so it wouldn't last very long. But I could put it on my dogs for a stream one day. That'd be fun. But it's been real, guys. Thanks for hanging out on Saturday. Craig, it's late for you. I don't know why you don't go to sleep. You've been here for quite a while. Charge this up. I'm going to attach this to my drone. But I'll see you guys later. Thanks for hanging out. The stream has been good. Hope you guys have a great night, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Before you check out, please smash the thumb up if you enjoyed it. I'm getting tired, but I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great night.